Every post NovaStores sends is tracked right here. Grant permission to post for you, once. Pick which storefront these posts belong to. Anything else in NovaStores says what is missing. The shop can post there now, and you can take that back anytime. NovaStores checks the new link itself, then turns the card green. Whichever destination you pick becomes the default for everything scheduled from here on. Before a destination existed, this toggle sat grayed out. Choosing one is what switched it on. There is no re-uploading. The photo, the name, and the price all come across in a single click. Name, description, and price come across automatically and stay editable. Choose when it publishes. NovaStores handles the rest. The card carries its status at a glance, and it can be edited or removed at any point before it publishes. No reminder, no laptop, the store published while you were doing something else. The photo and its caption are public, exactly as a follower sees them.